Welcome to the channel of change and transformation for Black women. Come right on in, and also welcome back to those of you that have come to visit before. Post up. Got some good things to share with you today. Our topic is what February 14th can teach Black women about self-love. You ready for it? We're going to start with some questions and we're going to end with some questions. Yes, indeed. So it's February 14th. I won't say the obvious because I want you to think differently about this whole holiday, this whole gift giving, this whole expectation piece, right? So usually we're either sad, mad, or very glad that this day is here, right? Well, this video's purpose is to get you to think differently. That's why I'm not even going to say the word. You know what the day is, but I'm not going to say it because I want you to think differently about it. Yes, I am Abena Otudor, your health and wellness coach, and let's dive in. So, I want you to look at February 14th as a mirror, right? If no one brings you chocolate, if no one brings you flowers, if no one has dinner for you, if the phone doesn't ring, does this mean that you're unloved? Have you been pouring into everyone else? And did you forget about you? I want to offer you this. Black women, you deserve way more than just external gifts. And definitely, you deserve way more than just 1 year of celebrating love and celebrating the special uniqueness that only you can bring forth to this world. I want you to look at not only being sad, mad, or glad. I want you to look at this day as being a day of peace. Yeah, I said it, a day of peace. Peace in your heart, peace in your soul, peace in your mind, peace in your spirit, your emotions. Let's take, for instance, let's say someone gives you the gift of chocolate. It's sweet, right? It's pleasing, it melts in the mouth. Let's flip the script, shall we? Let's get you some dark chocolate. And as a health and wellness coach, dark chocolate is better than milk chocolate. It has way more antioxidants and less sugar. So I would encourage you, if you're going to eat the chocolate, to get some dark chocolate. Um, we can internalize that and we can say that dark chocolate represents the secret part of you, the internal aspect of you, right? That's longing to be shown kindness to. But let that kindness that's being shown, let us start on the inside. How about you being kind to you? How about you being loving to you? How about you being so sweet to you? When's the last time you looked in the mirror and gave yourself a compliment? Try it sometime. Because we all want pleasurable things, right? Yeah. Just try that. Try that on for size. Now, what about if somebody gives you the gift of flowers? It's nice when someone gives you some flowers, right? Because the flowers represent beauty, they represent diversity in nature. But this is what I want you to do. Let's flip the script again. I want you to find the beauty in you. I want you to douse the internal waters of your emotions and stop being that angry Black woman. Don't even think about that fire breathing dragon that you can turn into when things don't go your way and you get so mad and angry and upset. No. When something crosses your path and you don't care for it, take a breath, breathe through it. Know that it's not the end of the world. Take a nap, go to bed, play some relaxing music. There are many ways, right? Remember, we said flowers represent diversity? There are many ways that you can go inside and think about how to show love to yourself, how to be beautiful to yourself on the inside. Have you actually drank some water? Let the water cool you, let the water hydrate you, let the water nourish your spirit. And in terms of getting nutrients on the inside of you, how about just serve up dinner for yourself? And as you're chewing your food and thinking about that wonderful dinner that you prepared for yourself, because you did not wait on somebody to invite you to a nice special dinner, you made it for yourself. And it had all kind of colors on the plate representing again that diversity, like the diversity in the flowers, because each part of that meal is representing nutrients that your body needs to be healthy. And definitely, you want to usher in that peace, right? Peace is beautiful, y'all. It's serene, it's lovely. Try it sometimes. And the third thing I want you to consider, let's say you get a massage, right? A gift card, or someone actually gives you a massage, the masseuse, a significant other, your husband, your boyfriend. It's nice to get, it offers you relaxation. There's such sacredness in touch, right? It's very pleasurable. Oftentimes when you get a massage, you feel emotionally secure and you're feeling okay to be vulnerable in that moment when you're getting the massage, right? Okay, last time, let's flip the script. How about, because we're ushering in this self-love piece, right? How about, have you ever considered self-massage? Self-massage. I'm talking about taking some time to put some oil on your body. Shoot, let me just try that right now. See how that feels. I got some oil spray and I'm just going to rub that in. Ooh, that feels good. I want you to try it at home when you get a moment. It just feels so good. Try that. Just love up on you. Slowly. Be patient with it. And feel every feeling when you put that oil on, that lotion on. It smells good. It's gliding over your skin. Do that for yourself. Don't be in a rush one day when you're going somewhere. Just take a moment and just glide that lotion, that oil on your body. Touch yourself gently, lovingly, and see how that feels. Tell you right now, that's wonderful. I don't want to. Self massage is really good. Try it. Breathe. Do your breath work because that's like you're massaging your lungs, your internal organs, your diaphragm, your abdomen, and you're ushering in that peace that we mentioned earlier, right? You see, today we're not just talking about who chose you, we're talking about how you choose you. Kind of different concept, right? Have you ever considered forgiveness as an exercise? That's how you massage your mental state of being, right? And you're holding on to stuff, you've been mad at somebody and a person. Try forgiveness. Because guess what? It's not for them so much as it's for you. So you don't hold on and fester and make yourself sick. That's how you massage your emotions, massage toxic thoughts until they're no longer toxic and they're not a part of you. And lastly, in terms of ushering in that self love, that inner work that we need to do to really, really accept and love up on ourselves, it's just be still sometimes. Slow down. Engage how you feel internally. When I wake up in the morning, the first thing I say is, thank you, God. Thank you, God. Because I know the one that created me kept me alive during the night. And so I'm waking up, I'm checking in with myself. I purposely don't get on any gadgets immediately because I just want to check in with my body, see how my toes is feeling, my head, my arms, all of that. And so I start with gratitude by thanking God. Just a way of checking in. Whatever your check-in is, do that. But do it daily. Check in with yourself. For many of us, Black women, we have been taught love and loyalty, right? We have been taught that we're to endure things, even if it's not working for us, but we're to endure rather than have a life of ease. We have been taught to normalize stress, being stressed out, right? Versus perpetuating self love. So today, February 14th, and every February 14th, and shoot, let's just go ahead and just make a proclamation. Every day is Self Love Day. It's not about who chooses you, but it's about you choosing to love on you in only the way you can, and not from a selfish standpoint, but from a very loving and balanced and wholesome way. So I hope you've gotten something from this. I have. I really have. This conversation has brightened my day. I trust it has brightened yours. And please like, subscribe, share, comment, and definitely try some of the things that we have suggested in this video. Love and light, y'all. Until next time.